How to change chat wallpaper in Zangi. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would be learning how you can change chat wallpaper in Zangi, and here is how to go about it. To change the chat wallpaper, the first step is to open the Zangi messenger app on your phone, and then once you've done that, the next thing to do is that you navigate to the specific chat or group you want to customize. All right, or if you do not want to do that, you can just customize the charts of every customize the background of every chat or of every groups that you would be on if you do not want it to be specific. All right, so to do that, once you're on the chat page, the next thing is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as the padlock icon, the search icon, and then three or vertical dots. Once you can see this dot, click on it, and then the options displayed, you can see settings and delete all. Just go ahead and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, just go ahead and click on chat background, and then you can see the different wallpapers made available for you. So you can decide to make use of any of this, or you can decide to make use of a wallpaper from your gallery by clicking on open gallery. After clicking on open gallery, you'll be redirected to your phone's gallery, all right, where you can now go ahead and select any of the pictures or any of the photos and make it your wallpaper or your background. All right, so let's click on it again. Okay, then you can see a number of pictures here, so you can just select anyone that you choose. All right, but if not, if you can't find any suitable, just go ahead and go back to your chat backgrounds page and then select any of the ones here. Any of them is fine, and then it will download. Then you have to wait for a while. After it's downloaded, it would be made the background automatically. So that is how it works. This is how you can change your chat wallpaper in Zangi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.